Assalamualaikum guys, welcome back, and today we're at Khanpur Dam. We are here today just to have fun and enjoy, but we rented this boat and we're gonna go to the other side of the dam, which is all the way over there. So you can red skis and stuff like that. So yeah, let's go over there to the other side, guys, and we'll continue on from there. So guys, right behind me, as you guys can see, there's people parasailing, and it looks like they're connected to a singular, like, tiny boat, and then or jet ski, and then they're like this, they're going super fast and they're flying in the air. And I think they land in the water whenever they're done. We're gonna go see properly. That's what the best side, you know. Stay tuned for that. But I hope you guys are enjoying today's video. I know it's been a little bit since I posted. Yeah, let's just wait. Okay. So guys, on the other side of the dam, it's called a spillway. We're going to go there. We're going to show you guys what it looks like, and how it works, and how the machinery works and stuff like that. But yeah, by the way, I'm sitting on like the peak of the boat. It's a lot of fun here. It's kind of scary, but we're going to the fort, and we're getting closer and closer to the other side. Yeah, this one's a really cool island that has its own little like fortress on it. And my sister is in front of the boat there. So guys, this is the spillway where they release all the water that's been jammed up. It's over there. It's about five areas, and they sound alarms for people that want to swim in it. They sound alarms so whenever the water comes on, people won't get hurt with the water.
कराया है ना